So good morning everyone. So this morning I have a Fiesta with extra accommodation here on Sector A. We are on Camposol urbanisation near the port of Mathron and only 30 minutes away from Calida Airport, Murcia International, and about 20 minutes scenic drive to the beaches. So let me take you inside. This property comes with a community pool as well. So as you can see, there are raised walls for privacy. And just down there is the pool. It's on this street, so nice and easy. You have a nice little area just to sit here and chill. You could put a hot tub sitting there if you wanted to cool off. So I'm going to take you upstairs, up these steps into the main house. You've got a nice decorative balustrade here. And let me go and take you upstairs now. So, as I walk in, you can see it's quite a spacious Fiesta here. You have a lovely kitchen over there, which I'll look at shortly. First of all, I just want to come back here and pan around for you guys, just to give you a feel for the room. And I'm going to take you into one of the bedrooms first, which is the one at the front. You have aircon over the front door as well. So just in here, this is a small double bedroom. You can put 2 single beds in here if you want. It's also got a radiator there for your central heating and a ceiling light and fan above. Now just here you also have a double wardrobe. You've got records and blackout blinds on the windows and insect screens. So let me take you in and around. Now I'm going to take you into the kitchen to show you. So this is an extended kitchen, which is been done lovely. So you've got plenty of top and base units. You've got a water filter tap there and your normal tap with your sink and drainer. You've got electric hob, electric oven. You've got your dishwasher, your washing machine, and plenty of worktop space all around. Okay, you have a skylight just above there as well. Now you have got your fridge freezer there and you've got an overhead heater. So I'm just going to take you in and around. Take you into the bathroom now. You have a frosted glass window, a standard light above there. You've got a shower attachment with a curtain. You've also got your bath, your WC and a sink just there. You have a little bit of storage there and a mirror just there. I just pan around and just above the door there is an overhead heater. So I'm just going into the master bedroom now. So it's a large master. It has got aircon, got a standard light above up there and a double wardrobe. You've got patio doors out onto a lovely terrace. I'm just going to pan around here just so you get a feel for this room. So as we walk out, just here, this is insect screen. It's a full door one. And just out here you've got a nice little terrace. Pan around, you could put a little bistro table and chairs there if you want it. And we're going to go upstairs and have a look around. So I see you at the top of the staircase, guys. So I've just come up to the top terrace. It's all laid to the false grass. Makes a nice little rooftop garden. And just all around you can see the mountains and the park over there as well. Really nice. Just going to come over here, walk this way, just give you a feel for your rooftop garden. So let's go back down and we'll have a look at the apartment now underneath. Go back down the steps. Now I've just come back down the steps and we're going around there to the entrance of the apartment. So we're going back through. So we're back here now, and down here is where the apartment is. You've got a nice little seat here as well to sit, and just on the wall there is a water point. And again, you could easily put a nice little table, a bistro table and chairs would just fit in there. So we're just going to go inside now and have a look around. You have a nice outdoor light here. Now there's a nice space here, and I think that is a sofa bed which would pull out into a double bed. You got plenty of sockets on the wall and you've got a strip light. Now we're just going over into the little door here, so I do need to bend my head. And just in here, it's like its own little kitchenette. You've got the boiler there, sink and drainer, cupboard, washing machine, plenty of worktop space, and you got plug sockets there as well. You've also got a fridge and a tumble dryer. So just in here, this is some storage space. You could use it as an office if you wanted to. Or a bedroom, it's a single bed in here. Now just going down here, now there is more space here. Now there is a window in here. I think you could put a mattress on here. This might make a bed, but it's storage for now. So just across from that room you have a small bathroom. You've got a sink and pedestal, WC, got a water tank there of some sort of description. Got some lovely photos, a mirror, and you've got a shower there with a shower curtain. Pull the door across, you've got your mirrors as well. So a nice use of space down here. So we'll go back through. And go back out. So like I said just there, I know it's a nice area to sit, but you could also put a hot tub there as well. So what do you think of this Fiesta? Now we are on Sector A and you're very, very close to the amenities, and you've got a community pool here as well. This is a lovely Fiesta and it's got that extra accommodation below if needed. So if you're interested in this property, do contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com. I will leave the reference number in the title of the video, and all the agent's details will be below in the description box. So until the next time, take care, and I see you all soon. This is the entrance to the community pool. I will put pictures in here because it's video and there's children in there. It's against the law in Spain to video children. So they sound like they're having a splashing time in there. But I'll just add photos of this community pool for you.